Okay, so this is Civic 10th generation. This is the Pakistani version, so the 1.8. And so far, just want to share the fuel economy. So I've driven 500 kilometers so far. Average is 12.6 kilometer per liter, and this is how much the fuel gauge reading is right now. So it's still not the light's still not on yet, so the empty light. So I think usually it goes up to 600 kilometers, um, and this is with AC. So usually I set the AC to 20. Yeah, so this is the fuel economy of this Civic 1.8.